Hi, and welcome to the MP3 guided reading of Who Was Steve Jobs, a biography by Pam Pollock and Meg Bellaviso. To complete this MP3 guided reading, you're going to need three things. You're going to need your Who Was Steve Jobs book, this recording, and a pencil and paper. So what you're going to do is I'm going to set the stage for the pages you're going to read, and then I'm going to ask you to pause the recording and read the pages, and then I will ask the question and ask you to pause again, write your answers, and so on. So we're going to start on page 17. So if you turn your book to page 17, we're on chapter 2, The Birth of Apple. The next pages 17 through 21, you're going to learn about the start of Apple computers. Pause the recording now and read pages 17 through 21. Question number 1. Where was Apple started? Where was Apple started? Pause the recording now and record your answer. Question number 2. What was the profit margin on the Apple II? Remember, profit margin is how much money you make after you pay your expenses and sell it. What was the exact profit margin on the Apple II? Pause the recording now and write your answer for question 2. Pages 22 through 24. On pages 22 through 24, Apple Computer is going to have its first big success. Pause the recording now and read pages 22 through 24. Question number 3. Where did Steve and Steve, the new founders of Apple, show off their new computer? Where did they show off their new computer? Pause the recording and record your answer. Pages 25 through 32. Pages 25 through 32. Tragedy is going to strike, and the Apple team is going to come up with a new big idea. Pause the recording now and read pages 25 through 32. Question number 4. Why did Steve fly a pirate flag over the Macintosh team? Why did Steve fly a pirate flag over the Macintosh team? Pause the recording now and record your answer. Pages 33 through 38. On pages 33 through 38, there's going to be some new things that are going to be launched at Apple. Also, there's going to be a very special Super Bowl ad that they are going to put out, an ad that's very famous, an advertisement. Pause the recording now and read pages 33 through 38. Question number 5. Why was the Super Bowl ad so important and what was different about it? Why was the Super Bowl ad so important and what was different about it? Pause the recording now and record your answer. Okay, the next thing I need you to do now that you have questions 1 through 5 written down is I also need you to read chapters 4 and 5. I'm going to have 2 questions I'm going to ask at the beginning of next class. So please read chapters 4 and 5. And that will complete your MP3 guided reading homework for day 1.